Zelle is shutting down, and if you are one of its users, you will need to find an alternative way to send money. In this guide, we will walk you through the best options available in 2025. First, let us start with what Zelle is. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send money directly from their bank account to another person's bank account. It is known for its speed and low fees. Now that Zelle is shutting down, you will need to find another service that offers similar features. Some of the best alternatives include PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App. These services allow you to send money to friends and family and also offer additional features, such as the ability to pay for goods and services online. PayPal is one of the most popular payment services in the world, and it allows you to send money to over 200 countries. It also offers a range of features, including the ability to pay for goods and services online and in-store. Venmo is another popular service that allows you to send money to friends and family. It also offers a social feature that allows you to share your transactions on social media. Cash App is a service that allows you to send money to friends and family and also offers additional features such as the ability to buy and sell Bitcoin. When choosing an alternative to Zelle, consider the fees associated with each service. Some services charge a fee for instant transfers while others do not. Also consider the speed of the service and whether it offers additional features that you need. In conclusion, Zelle shutting down does not mean that you will no longer be able to send money to friends and family. There are many alternatives available that offer similar features and more. By considering the fees, speed, and features of each service, you can choose the best alternative for your needs.